Good morning to all of you. Today we will start chapter 5 arithmetic progression of class 10. This is the first part of this video. Now, what is the arithmetic progression? So first of all, we take an example, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. All these numbers are even numbers, and you can see easily that this is first term, this is second term, this is third term, this is fourth term, this is fifth term. There are 5 numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Now this is first term and this is second term. What is the difference between second and first term? Second and first term. What is the difference between second and first term? Difference between second and first term is equal to 4 minus 2, that is, similarly difference between third and second term, that is 6 minus 4, this is 2. Similarly, difference between 4 and 3 terms is equal to 8 minus 6, this is 2, and difference between 5th and 4th term is equal to also 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. It means the difference between these two conjugative numbers is already same. This is even number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now take another example. 5, 9, 13, 17, 20. There are 5 numbers, and this is first term, this is second term, this is third term, this is fourth term, and this is the difference between second and first terms. Always difference between two consecutive numbers, that is, we cannot take the difference between first and fourth, similarly third and fifth. It means whenever the difference between consecutive numbers is between first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So here the difference between second and first, that is 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Similarly, 13 minus 9 is equal to 4. 17 minus 13 is also equal to 4, and 21 minus 17, that is also equal to. So this is difference. So this is the first term, this second term, third term, fourth term, and fifth term. The difference, it means अगर कोई भी सीरीज आपको इस टाइप से दिखे, अगर उसका फर्स्ट टर्म और इसके कॉन्जुगेटिव नंबर्स के बाद अगर डिफरेंस सेम आता है, देन ये जो सीरीज हो जा रही है, सीरीज, इट इज कॉल्ड अ सीरीज. दिस सीरीज इज अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. ये इस सीरीज को हम लोग कहेंगे अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. दिस सीरीज इज कॉल्ड एन अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन, एंड 5 इज द फर्स्ट टर्म ऑफ दिस अरिथमेटिक progression, and the difference of this arithmetic progression is equal to 2, and 21 is the fifth term or last term of this given arithmetic progression. Now there are two terms. First term, difference, and number of terms, and last term. Here you can see that 5 is the first term. Difference is equal to 4. Number of terms is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and last term is 21. आपको जब भी अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन का कोई भी सीरीज दिया रहेगा तो उसके बेस पे हम इतना डाटा फाइंड कर सकते हैं. अब इसमें क्या होता है, फर्स्ट टर्म इज इंडिकेटेड बाय A1. फर्स्ट टर्म इज इंडिकेटेड, दिस इज A1. this is A2, this is A3, this is A4, this is A5. ये नंबर का इंडिकेशन हो गया। A1 मींस फर्स्ट टर्म, A2 मींस सेकेंड टर्म, A3 मींस थर्ड टर्म, A4 मींस फोर्थ टर्म एंड A5 मींस फिफ्थ टर्म। And now D, what is the equal to D? D is equal to A2 minus A1. D is equal to A2 minus A1. D is equal to, similarly D is equal to A3 minus A1. D is same to everywhere. Now D is equal to A4 minus A3, A3 minus A2, and D is also equal to A5 minus A4. So अगर कोई भी आपको अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन दिया है तो वहां से हमें फर्स्ट टर्म निकाल सकते हैं और डिफरेंस निकाल सकते हैं। तो एक्सरसाइज जो आपका दिया 5.1, उसमें हमें क्या करना है, इसी टाइप से क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करना है। अब अगेन इसमें देखते हैं क्या है। तो ये था कैसे हम सीरीज को कब कोई सीरीज एपी में रहेगा तो हम ये देखेंगे कि अगर उसका सेकेंड टर्म और फर्स्ट टर्म या थर्ड टर्म और सेकेंड टर्म या फोर्थ टर्म और थर्ड टर्म हर जगह उसका डिफरेंस जो है सेम आ रहा है तो वो जो सीरीज होगी वो एपी, इट मींस अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में वो सीरीज होगी। एक एग्जांपल करते हैं और 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This is also a arithmetic progression because the difference between two consecutive number is same to everywhere. You can see easily 2 minus 1 that is 1, 3 minus 2 that is also 1, 4 minus 3 is 1, 5 minus 4 is 1, 6 minus 5 is 1, 7 minus 6 is 1, 8 minus 7 is 1, 9 minus 8 is 10. 1 and 10 minus 9 is also equal to 1. So here 1 is the first term and 10 is the last term and D is equal to 1 because D is equal to 2 minus 1 that is now exercise में देखते हैं कैसे क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा है। Exercise 5.4. Exercise, 5.1. Question is here. In which of the following situation does the list of number involved make an arithmetic progression and why? यहाँ पे कुछ स्टेटमेंट गिवन है और उस स्टेटमेंट के बेस पे हम क्या कर रहे हैं, एक सीरीज बनाएंगे और वो हमें ये देखना है कि वो जो सीरीज बन रहा है वो एपी में बन रहा है कि नहीं, यही फाइंड करना है। सबसे पहले दिया है टैक्सी फेयर आफ्टर ईच किलोमीटर व्हेन द फेयर इज 15 फॉर द फर्स्ट किलोमीटर एंड आरएस 8 फॉर ईच एडिशनल किलोमीटर। व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस सेंटेंस? सो हियर क्वेश्चन, दिस इज अ टैक्सी एंड अगर आप 1 किलोमीटर इस टैक्सी से सफर करते हो, फेयर का मतलब होता है टैक्सी का किराया, तो फॉर फर्स्ट किलोमीटर के लिए है 15 रुपए यानी 15 रुपीज गिवन है। अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन फॉर फर्स्ट किलोमीटर द टैक्सी फेयर इज इक्वल टू 15 किलोमीटर एंड अगर आप, ये डिफरेंस है हमारा 1, ये 1 किलोमीटर या फिर यहाँ से ये 1 किलोमीटर, फिर यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक 1 किलोमीटर, A to B is 1 kilometer, B to C is 1 kilometer and C to D is also 1 kilometer. Now question is for first kilometer is 15 rupees. It means when we travel from A to B, that is the taxi fare is equal to 15 rupees. Now when we move on B to C, it means अगर हम क्या करते हैं कि पहले किलोमीटर के बाद का डिस्टेंस 1 किलोमीटर चलते हैं तो पहले वाले फेयर में 8 रुपीज एडिशनल ऐड हो जाता है। इट मींस अगर सेकेंड किलोमीटर की बात की जाए, फर्स्ट किलोमीटर मींस A to B, सेकेंड किलोमीटर मतलब B to B. नो, सेकेंड किलोमीटर इज नॉट इक्वल टू 2 किलोमीटर. It means B to C that is 1 kilometer and 1 kilometer is equal to 15 plus 8 that is equal to 23 rupees. 23 rupees. Now and after each kilometer. It means when we travel from C to D, that is, it means third kilometer is equal to 23 plus 8 is equal to 31 31. It means series हमें क्या मिल रही है? 15, 23, 31, 31 to 8. It means 39, 39 to 8, 47 and so on. तो ये जो सीरीज मिला हमें, क्या ये सीरीज इन अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन और नो? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी चेक, दिस इज फर्स्ट टर्म, a1 इज इक्वल टू 15. अब डिस्टेंस देखते हैं, तो d इज इक्वल टू, दिस इज a2 माइनस a1, 23 माइनस 15 दैट इज 8. नाउ d इज इक्वल टू a3 माइनस a2, 31 minus 23 is also equal to 8, and now 39 minus 31 is also equal to 8, and 47 minus 39 is also equal to 8. Here we can see easily that the difference between two consecutive number is always same. So the given series is an arithmetic progression. So this is the complete solution of question number 1. Part first of exercise 5.1. Now there are three another question of part question number 1, question number 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So question number 1, second, third and fourth. Do yourself. Now we move on question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2 given, write 4 terms of AP when the first term and common difference D are given as follows. Here we write 4 terms, it means A1, A2, A3, A4. This is first term, second term, third term and now the first term is A and common difference D are given as follows. It means first term is A is equal to 10, is equal to 10. This is first term, A is equal to 10 and D is equal to, D is equal to, D is equal to 10, D is equal to 10. A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 10. It means this is first term and A1 is equal to 10. A2 is equal to, A2 is equal to, A2 is equal to 10, 10 plus 10 that is 20, 20 because A2 minus A1, A2 minus A1, A2 minus A1 आप ऐसा भी लिख सकते हो, D is equal to A2 minus A1, D is equal to A2 minus A1 and D is 10, A2 is unknown and the value of A1 also is equal to 10. D is equal to A2 minus A1, it means D is equal, D, the value of D is 10, A2 is unknown value and the value of A1 is, A means 10. So A2 is equal to 10 and minus by transformation this is plus, so A2 is equal to 10 plus 10 that is 20. So this is, now A2 is equal to 20, A1 A2 is equal to 20, A3, so again we write D is equal to A3 minus A2, A3 minus A2. It means D is equal to 10, A3 is unknown and A2 is 20, so A3 is equal to 10 plus 20 that is A3 is equal to 30. So the value of A3 is equal to 30. Now A4, it means D is equal to A4 minus A30. So the value of D is equal to 10 is equal to A4 unknown value, A3 is equal to 30. So 10 plus 30 is equal to A4. It means A4 is equal to 40. So now we get A1 is equal to 10, A2 20, A3 30 and A4 40. You can see that 20 minus 10 that is D 30 minus 2 that is 10 and 40 minus 30 that is also equal to 10. So this is the complete solution of question number 2 part 1. Similarly, question number 2 part 2, 3, 4 and 5th do yourself. So further proceed, please pause the video and note it down. Now we move on question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3 is for the following AP write the first term and common difference. Write the first term and common difference. So this is the very easy question. 3, 1 minus 1 minus 2. This is the first term. It means A1 is equal to 3. D is equal to A2 minus A1. That is 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 that is minus 2. So the value of A is equal to 3 and D is equal to minus 2. You can check now from A3 minus A2. It means minus 1 and A3 minus A2. It means this is minus 1 minus A2, the value of it is 1. So this is also. So the difference between two consecutive number is here minus 2 and the first term is A and common difference is equal to minus 2. So this is the complete solution of question number 3 of part 1. Now we move on to question number 4. Question number 4. Question given, which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find a common difference and write 3 more terms. It means first term is 2, 4, 8, 16. 2, 4, 8, 16. Arithmetic progression में the difference between two consecutive number is always same. So we check the difference. This is first term A1, A2, A3, A4. So D is equal to A2 minus A1. 4 minus 2 that is 2. Now D is equal to A3 minus A2. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. So the difference are differ. So this given series is not equal in is not in arithmetic progression. So we cannot write other 3 terms. So because of 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 8 and 16 are not in arithmetic progression. Similarly, question number 4, part number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, do yourself. And further question. So this is the complete explanation about arithmetic progression and we solve exercise 4.1 questions. So today exercise 5.1 and thank you.